Ever wondered how your data is kept safe on the internet? Welcome to the fascinating world of cybersecurity, the invisible shield that safeguards our digital lives. Cybersecurity is much more than a buzzword. It's a complex, ever-evolving field that plays a critical role in our day-to-day activities. In the age of the internet, our personal information, financial transactions, and even our conversations are all at risk of being intercepted or tampered with. But cybersecurity steps in, working around the clock to protect our sensitive data from prying eyes and malicious intents. It's not just about us, individuals. Businesses, governments, even our national security heavily rely on cybersecurity. It's the fort that guards the vast troves of sensitive information, protecting it from cyber threats and ensuring its integrity and confidentiality. In the following scenes, we'll delve into the world of cybersecurity and explore three fundamental concepts: encryption, firewalls, and secure coding. Stay tuned and discover the art and science of keeping the digital world secure. You may have heard the term encryption before, but what exactly does it mean? Well, think of encryption as a secret language. It's like whispering a message to your friend in a crowded room using a language that only the two of you understand. In the digital world, this secret language is used to convert data into a code. Imagine you're sending a letter containing top secret information. You wouldn't want it to fall into the wrong hands, would you? So you scramble the words into a code that only you and the recipient can decipher. That's essentially what encryption does. It scrambles data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Whether it's a text message, an email, or your credit card information when shopping online, encryption is hard at work, ensuring these data are transformed into a secret code. Only the intended recipient, with the correct decryption key, can decode and read the information. So, in a nutshell, encryption is like a secret language that keeps our data safe from prying eyes. Next up on our cybersecurity journey is firewalls. But what are they exactly? Well, simply put, firewalls are like the bouncers of the internet world. Picture this. You're at a swanky club and there's a bouncer at the door. This bouncer's job is to ensure only authorized guests get in, while keeping the unwanted ones out. Now let's translate this to the digital realm. In the context of cybersecurity, a firewall is a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network. It's your personal internet bouncer, scrutinizing the data coming in and going out of your network, and deciding what gets through and what doesn't. It's constantly checking IDs, so to speak, making sure the data packets are legit and aren't carrying any unwanted surprises. And just like a good bouncer, a firewall is always alert, ready to tackle any potential threats to your system. So, think of a firewall as your personal internet bouncer, keeping your network safe from unwanted intruders. Finally, let's talk about secure coding. But first, what is it? Imagine you're building a house. You wouldn't just pick a nice color for the walls, right? You'd also ensure that all the doors and windows are secure to prevent break-ins. Similarly, secure coding is not just about writing code that works, but also about writing code that is tough to crack. It is a set of techniques and best practices developers use to guard against security vulnerabilities. It's about thinking ahead, anticipating potential threats, and then coding to neutralize those threats. It's like a game of chess, where you have to think several moves ahead. If you leave any weak spots, hackers, like skilled chess opponents, will find and exploit them. So when you're coding, don't just think about getting the job done. Think about getting it done securely. Secure coding, therefore, is like building a house with security in mind, ensuring all potential entry points are well protected. So, to quickly recap what we've learned today, cybersecurity is of paramount importance in our increasingly digital world. Encryption helps keep our data safe by transforming it into codes, while firewalls act as virtual barriers to prevent unauthorized access. Moreover, secure coding practices are key to developing robust software that's resistant to cyber threats. Remember, in this digital age, understanding the basics of cybersecurity isn't just useful, it's essential. Stay safe out there.